we sit down. Wow. Yeah. The camera on this is so good, it's like recording movies sometimes.
Is that the 14?
The 15.
What? Wait, let me see.
Hold on, I will. I just want to get some more footage.
I want to get a 15.
Yeah?
Wait, is that the 15 recording mode?
Yeah. No. It's not. It's a separate app.
Oh.
It lets me color grade it. So that's why I use it.
Oh, like editing?
No, like color grade. Like you add color to it. It looks more orange than it would. Like this is without. Let me see if I can. That'll be fine.
Wait, that's cool.
See, it turns cooler.
I don't like it when it's cool outside.
Like this?
No, like, yeah, like that. I don't like that.
You like it like this? More red?
A bit more
More
white.
yellow? More white?
Wait, I'm tripping. This is so, like, trippy for me. Like that.
That's when you like
But
it?
I like the green.
Green?
Green. I just like that all the colors complement each other. Oh, set. Kate Petty? No.
Is it?
No. Oh, I want to pet his dog. Look.
Where? I see. Are you gonna pet it?
No.
Big glare. That looks good. You should try recording. It's fun.
He's a gang member. Wait, it's so like crisp. What does this do?
It just seems good. So,
It's like an Amazon. You know the way how seats?
no.
Like you're talking to your parents and you're like, who are these people? Like, you know?
Yeah. Like you feel like you don't know anyone.
Yeah. Or everyone is just so like different.
Different.
Streams are just really.
It's so hard. I can't do it.
I put this in the video picture. Fitted.
Wait, what? Fitted?
Wait, I'm surprised.
It's not a true fitted because it's not sewn to his head.
Dude. What is it? I got this on sale. 40.
Okay, what next?
Thrifted. Bad to the bone. So now this. Do what you love what you do. Think about that. $3. Wrangler jeans.
I didn't realize you had jorts.
$3. Thrifted. Nike socks. Those
Dogs? What's the price on your dogs?
priceless. Feet priceless. Socks.
Priceless.
Pack. $40.
40.
Shoes. Authentic from Germany. I got these in Germany. Priceless.
Priceless.
That's it.
Berkshire
Two
German.
more because they're pretty quick ones because they're the 10s and 20s ones.
Yeah, what?
One.
Who do you know that bangs this?
Configuring life.
The fuck is that?
It's my gang.
Alrighty.
The aliens?
20. Using this electron configuration,
We come
how
in
many
peace, gang.
electrons are in the fourth energy level? 124, go.
I know. Okay, who's this little guy? Hey!
Bye.
Fuck that kid, bro. Oh, Joe, hey, I didn't even go through the underwear, too. Flower boxers,
Fire.
20, 25.
25.
Hey, put the price, do the math while editing this. Put the price right here. What? Let's do a fit check for you right now.
Yeah, let's do 50 for
You
you.
got crazy
Girlfriend
accessories.
sweater.
Hey,
Girlfriend sweater.
Not his girlfriend.
Priceless. Sunglasses.
Girlfriend's.
I think they were from Dollar Tree. So a buck, I guess.
Girlfriend's G-string. Priceless.
Beanie.
Butt plug.
Apple base boosting. Priceless.
50. Wrestling t-shirt for free. And then pants. Priceless.
Undies.
Jockey. I think they're like 20 bucks.
Fucking job.
Birkenstocks. Like,
Not from
they're
Germany.
not from Germany. From Academy, actually.
Okay.
110 for sure.
Everything
Yes.
off of Walmart. Wait,
H&M.
no, actually. Turn what in?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Alright, do
Yes.
a check for me. Do my hair.
This shit look hella cinematic, gang.
Never buy no weed from the gas station, bro.
Alright, here we go.
We have the full configuration here. If you're trying to figure out how many
H&M.
electrons are in a certain energy level, you need to add up all the electrons
H&M.
in that energy
50.
level within each sublevel. So, for example,
That's it.
like the
I'm
2s,
naked everywhere else.
down here, those electrons
It's all an
are in
illusion.
se-
I
there's
think
usually
this is from
multiple
Target.
sublevels at times that can account for the same energy level. So you need to look for the sublevels that have a 4 in them. That would be 4s, 4p, and 4d. And add up their electrons. So 10 plus 6 plus 2.
10 bucks.
Yep.
Stolen.
There we go. All right.
So they came in a
We
pack.
got time for one more in group 2. You guys get to pick the last
20
one.
at Academy.
Yeah.
There is exactly 4 of the 10
Underwear?
left and then exactly 120. So,
Levi?
Checkers.
20 pack.
Why are they checking? To see the whole.
No.
yeah, all the 30s and 40s are gone. There's only 120
Checker
left. and
underwear.
there's four
Dude.
10s.
It's just the waistband. Stop.
Okay.
This guy's retarded.
Tell me the mass number of this atom. You get 40 seconds. Go.
40 seconds.
50 seconds.
Tell me the mass number of an atom that has 26 protons, 31
Yeah, a little
electrons.
bit more because the timer is going.
Oh,
About a minute.
oh, I love this song.
What you know about that song? You don't know nothing.
Straight from Mulan.
This is from Pirates of the Caribbean. Give me a boner. All these racks, give me a boner. That's going in.
That's not going in.
Are you sure?
Hell yeah.
Are you sure?
Hopefully.
And I'm gonna cut it. That's the part where it said that's not going in. So they know that something's not going in.
I don't think we got a second.
Cutthroat game.
Cutthroat.
All
What
right.
is it? What is?
3, 2, and 1.
West Side Gang.
So you guys got it? Okay. All right.
She right there. It was not down here.
It was down.
If it's
Don't
any
ever say that.
constellation,
Don't ever.
constellations will not matter.
Alright, hair reveal.
All right.
Damn.
So, final scores. Pretty good scores. So 7th place here. I'm gonna write them down because
Numbers, group 7.
Barely.
Group 7.
get through saying them all in the right
Man,
order.
you look like a
So,
little girl.
Stop.
third. That's interesting. Okay. So breaker. Ready? First one to tell me. Ready? I'm gonna tell you. It's gonna be a quick
Wait,
question.
wait, but.
If we get it, can we get first?
Nope, it's between these two groups.
Oh,
Nope,
damn
nope,
it.
because this is for first. They both already get points from their test, so it's somebody who gets the prize. Let me think of a question.
I'm gonna do a backflip right now.
Pokemon.
Ooh.
Can we do an anime class?
No.
Anime class.
Can we do Riz?
Yes.
Can we do Riz class where Duke Dennis is the teacher? Riz class, Duke Dennis is the teacher. Can we do Riz class where Duke Dennis is the teacher? And can we have dance class where Carson Knight teaches us how to gritty?
Absolutely.
Which element
And And at lunch you get Phantom Text by
Is
the
in
lunch lady.
period 6, group 9. Period 6, group 9. Alright,
What?
You got hips.
you got it. Iridium.
Got hips.
That's in row number 6. Group number 9 is iridium.
Let me read it. Let me read it.
Dude, you weren't gonna die with me.
Read what?
Was that a love letter?
I wrote you a love letter, fucking make her love better. Pain in her eyes, tell her when the love
He got no idea what he doing.
It's my IXLs that I need to do.
Go first.
Well,
It was a secret. Give me just
very
a second.
disappointing.
That's nothing.
I don't want to forget.
Who?
Uh-oh.
Ow! Fuck me.
Alright, I see
Why
how
did you do that?
Alright, I'm killing you.
That was funny though.
Reese, you would have loved that. Pokemon card.
Fucking love this guy. Jonathan, what'd you get?
What? Oh yeah. You probably want this back in the
How'd you get it? You didn't do anything. You carried us.
No, you should keep it till the end of the day because.
Dude, you're coming with me. I'm gonna look like a little girl.
Fitted?
Priceless.
No, it's not.
This is the new fitted. You know we had to switch it up today. Dude,
Wait, where's my other one?
I really stepped up the comfort zone
Wait,
with this
where's my
fit.
sweater at? Wait. I don't know, it's somewhere around there.
You think
Yeah.
recording in stereo is
Then someone probably.
better?
What?
Hope you know that.
What's you looking at?
What?
Do it on camera.
Which one?
The eye squeeze.
Maybe it's in his backpack. Did we not think about that?